Flowers' importance in nature is everywhere. They can feed insects, birds, animals, and humans. It provides natural medicines for humans and animals. Flowers have a long term positive effect on moods. Common sense tells us that flowers makes us happy. Now science shows that not only do flowers make us happier, then we know they have a strong positive effect on our emotional well-being. So, welcome students. Today we are going to study class 4th EVS chapter 11, the value of flowers. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes, while in others, one finds white flowers peeping out between the stones. There are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly elsewhere, blue flowers shining like tiny stars between the grass. All these seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? Yes, because like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in a year. Are there anything in your house which have designs of flower made on them? Like clothes, sheets, wash, etc. Here is a floral design. The design in the picture is called Madhubani. It is a very old form of folk art. Do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Here, during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the house and their courtyard are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. The colors used in Madhubani paintings are very special too. To make them indigo, they use neil, turmeric, they use haldi, colors from flowers and trees, etc. are used. The paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. So, dear students, here are some pictures of flowers for you. Recognize them and write their names in the chat box. They There are different types of flowers. Some flowers grow on trees such as gulmohar and kadam. Rose and hibiscus grow on bushes. Bushes are the plants with stems of moderate length. It is approximately of your height. Champa and Snow White grow on creepers. Then you will ask, ma'am, what is creeper? So creepers are the plant that grow along the ground around another plant or up a wall by means of extending stem or branches like bittergourd creeper you can see. So you have also seen lotus and water lily in water. So they are water plants. Jasmine and night queen blooms only at night. So some flowers like sunflower and lotus bloom in day and close at night. And rose and jasmine, you can recognize their scent even your eyes are closed. Again, the rose and kumudni are the flowers that bloom all the year around. You can find 12 months them. And marigold and tulip blooms only in certain months. Few months you can find them. But there are many plants or trees like money plant which never have any flower. Have you ever seen a board like this put up anywhere? Yes. So dear students, where there are flowers, these type of boards can be seen. These boards are put to tell the people that not to pluck the flowers. They are beautiful and have life when they are on the plant. If everybody pluck them, then there will be no flower. Students, whenever you are moving around a plant or tree, see them carefully. First, you are able to see the birds. Birds then convert into flowers, and then these flowers convert into fruits. Flowers are even eaten. What are the different ways we use flowers in our daily life? Do you know that flowers can be eaten as well? Many flowers are cooked as vegetables. In Uttar Pradesh, people enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flowers. In Kerala, people eat vegetable made up of banana flowers. In Maharashtra, people love pakoras made up of sehjan flowers. Are flowers cooked in your home as a dry vegetable, a gravy dish, or as a chutney? If yes, tell me the name of the flower and the dish. Flowers in medicines. Flowers are used to make many medicine as well. Lavender flower is immensely used as aromatherapy to treat people from stress, anxiety, tension, and various body aches. Chamomile tea. It is used to give relaxed, and chamomile is used in medicine as it treats ulcer, common cold, runny nose, provides glowing skin, and treat sore throat. Hibiscus, marigold, jasmine, lotus, rosy periwinkle, rose, kedar, etc. are the flowers that are used as medicines. Rose water is used in medicine, sweets, lassi, and also as a beauty product. Colors from flowers. Colors are made from many flowers like marigold, zinnia, rose, china rose, etc. These colors can be used to dye clothes. We have not seen any flower with silver or grey color. Have you seen it? You have heard of some of the granny's old recipes which use flowers. Here is a recipe for which rose water is used. Mix well equal part of rose water and glycerin. Fill this in a bottle. Add a few drops of lemon juice. In winters, use this mixture on your skin. Your skin will not crack or dry. Have you experienced the smell on opening a small bottle of itr? Do you know? Even a small bottle of itr is made from lots and lots of flowers. The Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for itr. Truckloads of flowers are brought from neighboring areas for this purpose. Itr, rose water, kerwa water are prepared from flowers here. Thousands of people in Kannauj are engaged in this work. So, students, locate Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, and Maharashtra on this map of India. Students, you are using that perfume that is not as pure as the itr. Itr is actually pure extract of the flowers. There are special flowers used on certain occasions or festivals are for Friendship Day that is coming, pink or yellow rose, birthday, rose, tulip, marriage anniversary, and we give bouquet. Valentine Day, red rose is famous. And for any religious ceremony, we use marigold flower. Of course, if there are so many uses of flowers, then we need lots and lots of flowers. Flowers are grown in many places. Imagine fields full of flowers extending for miles together. How beautiful! You have seen many people selling flowers. They use flowers in different forms, like rose and marigold are used in garland and as loose petals too. The South Indian women are fond of gajra made up of jasmine flower. A gajra is a flower garland which is worn by women to decorate a hairstyle. Even nowadays, girls in their marriage during haldi ceremony prefer to use flowers as their ornaments. So flowers play very important role in our life. And without flowers, plant would merely be green and the world will be duller place. So do not pluck the flowers and grow as much as possible. So goodbye student, have a flourish day.